In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page within a Microsoft Word document effortlessly. This is a handy skill to master, whether you're working on a lengthy report, drafting a manuscript, or simply trying to replicate the format of a certain page for consistency. Let's dive right into it and go through this process step by step to make sure you get it just right. First, open your Microsoft Word document that contains the page you want to duplicate. Once your document is ready and you're looking at it on your screen, you'll need to click anywhere on the page that you intend to replicate. This is to ensure that Word recognizes your focus on that specific content. Next, you'll press Ctrl A on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is designed to select all the content present on the page. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure everything on that page, whether text, images, tables, or any other form of content, is chosen. With your content selected, proceed by pressing Ctrl C. This command copies everything that you've highlighted, storing it temporarily so that you can paste it elsewhere. Now, decide where in your document you wish to place the duplicated page. Most commonly, this will be right at the end of your document, but it might also be between existing pages, depending on your needs. Click to place your cursor in that exact spot. To create a new page, press Ctrl Enter. This action inserts a completely blank page exactly where your cursor is, giving you a fresh canvas to paste the copied content. With the new page in place, you're all set to perform the next action. Press Ctrl V to paste. This will transfer the previously copied content onto your newly minted page. And there you have it. Your page is now duplicated, looking just like the original. Whether your page included text, images, or tables, this method maintains the exact layout, ensuring continuity and consistency in your document's design. A quick tip for you: if your original page contains any images or tables, rest assured that this process will keep their layout exactly the same on the duplicated page. That's it. With these simple steps, you've managed to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word without losing any formatting or design elements. Feel free to use this technique to streamline your document editing process. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks for optimizing your Microsoft Office skills. Happy writing!